The answer is 5.
The song here in my heart, melody I start, but can't complete. Listen,
Super Kuya!
ooh,
Parang nagalit ako noon.
sound
Pero happy ako noon.
within. It's only beginning to find.
Hindi happy ako noon. Oh, right next to you.
My dreams to be heard, they will not be persistent and turned into your own. Oh, 'cause you won't listen. Listen, I am alone at crossroads. I'm not at home in my own home, and I tried to sing what's on my mind. I should have known. Whoa, I don't know where I'm going, but I've been moving on. If you burn, listen to the song here in my heart, a melody I start, but I will comfort me. No, now I'm not believing you. You don't know what I'm feeling. I'm more than what you made of me. All the voice that you gave to me. I gotta
Grabe. Kaya nga, ni-request kasi ni Mia yung listen. Nakakahiya kasi hindi bigay yung performance level para kay Mia. Kasi syempre, si Mia yan guys. Si Mia yan dapat performance level tayo pag si Mia nag-request. Joke lang Mia. Hindi ko nang gagalingan next time. Buti nga ginalingan ko talaga. Para kay Mia talaga. Natulala pa nga ako. Thank you Mia. Ano pa yung song request na na-miss ko? Guys, sabihin nyo ako pag may na-miss ako na song request. Bigyan naman. Joke, wag na tuloy. It's okay po, it's okay. Meron ba ako na-miss na song request dyan, guys? Let me know. Para... Uy, saglit! Ano yung saglit? May song request ka pa? Let me know. Wala na bang song request dyan? Sige na mag-request kayo guys. Kaya ako minsan nagtatanong kasi gusto ko kumanta ng mga kantang bago. Inaaliw ko sarili ko, not feeling well. Oh, magaling po kayo, super kuya. Ano pong klaseng not feeling well? Para may ubot sipon ganung not feeling well? Parang dami nagkakasakit talaga, no? Ayan, pagbigyang muli. Sige. Since wala kayong request, bukas na lang kita mamahalin. Parang tarang kasuhin. Kuya Alex, nauna talaga si Charles. Unahin ko muna yung pagbigyan muli. Okay lang ba Kuya Alex? Si Kuya Alex, CEO natin. Pero wala po kayong sipot ubo, ganun. Parang trang-trang kasuhin. Pag nagtatrangkaso ba kayo guys, nagagamot ba kayo agad or natutulog lang kayo? Next time na nakita aching all over. Oh. Aching. Para